Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be setting up a brand new GitHub account. So I already have a GitHub account, but today I'm going to be just creating a new one so you guys can follow along. So the first thing we want to do is go to the GitHub page. So if you just Google GitHub or visit github.com, we're going to just click on this link, and once you get to this home page, you just go and sign up for a new account. So you could type here, or you could just hit sign up. So after you hit sign up, it has this little welcoming message, and then it asks for your email. So just put your email in here, and then once you've typed your email, just hit continue, and then you need to go and create a password and make sure that it's a strong password. So once you've got that done, then hit continue. So you can pick whatever username you want. I'm just going to try and find one that has not already been created. It looks like Ryan Hill 3 has also been taken, so let's go and just add in a bunch of 3s. Great, so this account is available, as you can see here. So I'm going to just hit continue on this, and would you like to receive updates? No, I wouldn't, so I'd put N. And this is just to verify that you're not like a bot or something. So let's go and just start the puzzle. Pick the spiraling galaxy, be this one. Okay, grand, so that looks fine. So now I think we should have created our account. Oh, okay, one last thing. I guess the email that you used, they're going to send a confirmation code to it. So you just want to go and open up your email, and you should get a code. I'm actually looking at my email now on my phone, and it hasn't yet come in, so maybe it just takes a couple of minutes. I've just received the email, and when you receive the email, you just go and click on the button, and then you log into your GitHub account with the information you've used. So your username, in my case, Ryan Hill, and then 4 3s, and then whatever password you create. And then once you do that, it brings you to your actual GitHub page. So what we can do now is, if we go and just go back here, or if we just go back to the GitHub homepage, we can actually now sign in rather than sign up before. So if we just get rid of this, so that's just my other GitHub account that you see, it's pre-populated. So we're just gonna get rid of that and put in our newly created account. So once we fill that in, just hit sign in, and okay, now there's another code sent to our email. So let's go, let me just go back and check that, see what that number is. So is it here yet? Yeah, okay, grand. So 088816, and now we're here. So basically now we've created our brand new GitHub account. The next thing to do would be to start a project. So the idea of GitHub is that it's a place where you can go and store your code, and you can make your code public or you can make your code private, depending on what level of privacy you want on your particular repos. You may want to put some of them public so you can show employers, or you can work on them with friends, and then there may be others that you want to just keep private, that you don't want people to know about. So what we're going to do next time is we're going to work on creating a repo, getting that repo onto our local machine, putting some code in that repo, and then pushing it back to GitHub. So we're going to have to learn a few GitHub commands, but it's not too difficult. I hope you gained something from the video. If you liked it, do leave it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.